What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. All right, guys, so I'm up almost $2,000 on this swing trade, and I decided I wanted to make this video of talking about the power of futures, swing trading from home, especially if you're working the 9 to 5. This is my go-to strategy. It's one of the ways I was able to build my account from $5,000 to $84,000 when I first got started. And I really wanted to put some emphasis on if you're busy, if you have a busy life, this is one of my go-to strategies to make good gains. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So right now I have the chart set on replay. So I just want to take you back to why I took this trade. So this was July 11th. If I hop into the Discord here, you can see that we called this out on July 11th, just got filled long, 56.3225 on the 618. Okay. So let's start off here and discuss why I want to take this trade. So the first thing is, guys, this is the hourly chart. This can also be done on the 4-hour chart as well. So I wanted to mention that. And what we're really looking for, guys, is the 618 pullback, okay? The 618 pullback is always going to give you the best bang for your buck because you're waiting for the market to retrace 62% approximately to an area of value. So I like to think about it like this. If I go to the dollar store and I get something for 34 cents, 35 cents, whatever, somewhere in that range, and I can go back out and sell it for $1, I know that I did well, right? So 61.8% is literally approximately a 62% pullback. Now, what I've been doing to make this setup even more viable is combining it with fair value gaps, previous support if you're going long, and the power of futures. Okay, so let's go ahead and break this down. So here's our setup right here, guys. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So a lot of people ask me, Rich, how do you get your anchors? Okay, so this is the high is obviously easy. That was the all-time high. Okay, and the low, I like to use these little hammer bars or anything that is a trap candle. Okay, and then from there, if you look right in here, guys, you'll see that we have a lot of fair value gaps lining up with the 618. So that gives me extra confidence. So what you can do, guys, here is just go ahead and get your rectangle and we can draw this fair value gap right here. Okay, so there's a fair value gap there. There's one here, one here, one here. So whenever I'm drawing my fibs, if I see the Fibonacci lining up with the fair value gap, then I know that that's a good level. The other thing that I look at, guys, is where's the previous support? So let's just remove this. Here's previous support right here, right? Because previous resistance, so this was all resistance. Okay, we broke through. Now resistance becomes support. So all of those factors gave me confidence to take this 618 trade because we have multiple things lining up. When you have multiple things lining up, that gives you confidence, okay? So, and I use futures. Now, futures is a very powerful tool to use when you're swing trading from home or when you're swing trading in general because there's no decay. So if this wants to chop for multiple days, I won't lose premium like options, okay? Futures is a point-based system. So each point is going to be $50 on the full contract, and it's going to be $5 on the micro contract. And I used 5 micro contracts here. So you can see each point is approximately $5, and you'll see how this trade turned out. Okay. So here we go, guys. So once we get filled in the 618, what I want to show you is this. So we push down just a little bit here, guys, and we hold our level. Initial pop up about 10 points. So if you're a scalper mentality, that 10 points is good enough. That's on a full contract, that's 500. However, when you're swing trading, sometimes you have to hold a little bit longer. And you'll see what happens here, guys, is we actually retest this 618 level. So let me just zoom in here a little bit and get you guys a better look on that. So we retest right there, guys, the 618 level. And then from there, we shoot through, boom, boom, okay, pull back just a little bit. And then we continue to today, where we made a new all-time high, okay? And I'm currently trailing this trade on 2R, okay? So with a 2-to-1 risk reward, this is what I recommend you start off when you're swing trading, especially when you're at home. Just try to get double your money, okay? Because with a 2-to-1 risk reward, you only need to win 34% of your trades in order to make a profit. All right. And just get in the habit of swinging for double your money, double your money, double your money, double your money. Okay. Try going for double your money. Try using that approach in order to make your gains. And then if you take 100 trades in the year, you only need to win 34 out of 100 of those trades to actually make some money. All right. So I hope this was helpful. To summarize, I took the 618 long because we had multiple factors. We had a 618 pullback. Okay. And we had the fair value gap. We had previous resistance, now turn support. 3 factors makes those swing trades even better. This is on the 1 hour. You can use it on the 4 hour as well. 2-to-1 risk reward and futures. I have a full course on futures in the description. You can check that out. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment, sub. Thank you so much.